my channel. My name is Marie-Francois and today we are making green smoothie. We are in the month of October and this is the time to take care of our bodies and to boost our immune system. We have our apples who are rich in fiber and antioxidants. We have our lemon full of vitamin C, our pineapple juice here and the lemon juice. And we do have our organic raw sugar cane and our fresh kale already washed and ready to go. As you can see, I just peel off my apple. I'm using one green apple. And after you peel them and you kind of slice them like this. So I'm using a Vitamix blender, but you can use any type of blender. It doesn't have to be this brand. So we put in our apple slices in there. Then I'm adding some of my kale. So that depends how much smoothie you're making. So that should be enough for, I would say, 4 people if you make that much. And I'm adding my pineapple juice here. It's 1 cup of pineapple juice. And then my lemon juice. Let me get closer here so you can see. Add your raw sugar. It's raw sugar cane, organic. That's like 2 tablespoons. And all you have to do now, you close it up. All right, we have all our ingredients in the blender. Now we're going to mix everything, to blend everything together. It's gonna make a little bit of noise, okay? Just finished blending for 2 minutes and I saw that it was a little bit thick, so I add another cup of pineapple juice and we're going to blend it again for another 2 more minutes. All right, our smoothie is ready. So in total it's 2 minutes. So the first minute you'll let it blend and then you check on the to see if it needs more juice. So I did add extra pineapple juice. Now I'll let it blend again for another minute. So I would say like a whole 2 minutes together. Now we're going to try our smoothie. Look at that. Look how beautiful is the color. Remember the benefits of this smoothie. It's to prepare our bodies and to boost our immune system for the season coming up. So I will encourage you to go ahead and make this smoothie. It's delicious, it smells good because the pineapple, I can smell the fresh fruits, the apple, the lemon juice. Please share with me in the comments how much you love that smoothie, because I love it, my family loves it, everybody I know loves this smoothie. So I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.